It was this big. I am so grateful for your help. I really, really would have gone overboard with that fish. Like, it was taking me into the dark blue.
That was a big
The
fish.
power, you know?
Oh, it's incredible. But you carried on going. It's very impressive.
Well, only because the only thing more humiliating than losing a fish is handing it over to someone else. And at the end of the day,
you've done amazingly well.
I am an angler, hardcore, and I'm not handing over my fish.
But from our side, you're part of the club 100%. Because,
Yeah, baby,
that's
yeah. A GT dance.
GT dance. We'll have to think of it.
It's all about the butt.
No, it's all
it's about the butt.
You give it the whole.
Gotta get the little.
Give it the whole. Yeah. But you gotta do the GT like coming up for the pop. Yeah.
What a Catch is inviting people to come on a fishing trip with me. That's what I do. I'm a professional fisher. I fish around the world. I chase big game fish. It could be an Atlantic salmon, taimen. It could be a big sailfish. You never know from week to week. So I want people to travel along with me and experience the culture and the food. And I go off to these remote places, and you get the feeling that no one else has ever walked where you're walking. And you get to fish in pristine wilderness. What a catch. This week, I'm fishing in Musandam for giant trevally.
The Musandam Peninsula is the most northerly region in Oman. It is separated from the rest of the country by the United Arab Emirates. This exotic area is recognizable by the Hajar mountain range, whose cliff faces jut out into the Sea of Hormuz. People avoid taking the switchback roads that snake through the narrow gorges. The ocean is the highway in this region. Musandam is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Travel along the isolated claw-like coastline reveals small ancient fishing settlements and, not surprisingly, great fishing.
Nice job, Nick.
Yeah, it was a good one.
Nick, we're deep. We're on 74, huh?
Yeah, we found her. Come here!
Come here.
Come here!
Come on. Come here. Speak to him.
He's got his head in the current. Oh! Hello, good morning.
What do you think of that, Rich? Big one! Fish on!
Fish
On. Got it on.
Got it on. Oh!
Right up against the wall of that cliff. Amazing.
See how it came out, tail in the air.
That's awesome. How are you feeling now?
Yeah, good, eh?
Oh, yeah. Who needs the gym?
Who needs the gym? So it's called GT Gym.
GT Gym, is that the name of this?
It's the other side of the rock there.
Wow. Ooh, rod bend.
Good luck, huh?
Yeah.
So this is what brought you to this part of the world.
Exactly for this.
Why is this piece of water so productive? Like, what's going on here? Other than
it's the big currents and bait fish. The Indian Ocean pushes in here into the
You
Gulf.
have to come there with that bait, huh?
It comes, the bait as well, but it pushes in from very deep water offshore here into shallow water and up onto these cliffs. Ooh,
the fish is so big, it just busted the rod. Oh my gosh.
2 in 2 weeks.
Okay, so that's fishing in Oman. The
That's
fish are
it.
so big that they blow up the gear.
2 rods in 2 weeks. $700 a pop.
Are you gonna be able to still land this fish?
Oh, there he is. There.
The giant trevally, Carens ignobilis, or GTs as I call them.
Ooh, he just threw up his lunch. That's attractive. What kind of bait fish is that?
They usually feed on fusiliers. Is what the GTs usually feed on.
Fusiliers and small sardines and garfish mainly.
This is sort of the entrance into the fjord of Aqaba. If you look out to the top there, you can see the point of Lima, the Lima rock. We'll start heading up that way and see if we can find the queenfish and stuff.
This area up top here is called the Lion's Jaw. It's the entry from the Indian Ocean side to the Arabian Gulf. And on the right-hand side, you can see the lion's head that comes down. And on the left-hand side is the furthest point on the Arabian Peninsula. So all the water gets, or all the tidal water gets pushed through here, and you get very big currents forming here.
The big tides and currents dislodge bait for the superior swimming top-level carnivores. GTs smash and devour their prey in one bite. They kill it instantly from the strike impact.
I'll tell you why I deserve to catch a fish. Let's start with a 13.5-hour plane ride. Let's talk about a drive with Rich
Oh yeah, that's
on the back roads of Oman.
It's equivalent of about a 20-hour flight.
Let's talk about Jet Lag City, and I deserve to catch fish.
And then you have to put up with us.
Yeah, it's not so hard.
Okay guys, last cast and then we'll go up again.
Sorry to cross your line, but
No problem.
it's good real estate over there.
GTs hunt during the day, alone, or they may form schools. They target inshore reefs and sand flats, as well as seaward reefs up to 80 meters in depth, like we're covering here with our poppers and stickbaits.
Oh, oh, snap on the knot.
Oh, did Rich tie that on for you too?
Hey?
Was it your best lure?
Didn't snap on the knot, because there a whole lot of yellow braid went down into
No, I mean on the knot that I had earlier. I thought
yeah, I was going to say, it wasn't my knot.
Okay, yeah, we're coming up to the spot, eh?
That's code for reel in and get ready.
Brace yourself,
Where should I
here it
put it?
comes. Just hit it at an angle about 45 degrees there. There we go, that's the one. That's where we had that other hit just now.
So why do you love catching GTs so much?
I think it's just the excitement of it, the adrenaline rush. Because it's
You
all,
can get adrenaline from lots of species though.
yeah, but not like this, the size and the sheer aggression in that. I mean, it's like a pit bull of the sea. Eh?
The ancient waterways have undercut their sheer cliff face and provided a shady hideout for the adult giant trevally to park its mass.
Yeah, we're getting into the zone, yeah?
On the ready to ambush pelagic fishes with its blunt head leading the attack, it pushes heaps of water aside as it surges forward with one push from its paddle-like tail. The fast-growing GT loves fusiliers, but will eat cephalopods and crustaceans and the odd turtle or baby dolphin.
Get the current that's coming down, the GTs will either sit up top here, or they'll sit back in this current where there's that little eddy at the back there.
You know, I hate to admit it, but Rich, you may have to be a relief hitter. I'm chucking this thing for a while now. I'm getting a little, feeling the burn. I might have to drive the boat.
Want to come drive the boat?
You can play switch.
I need to save something for the fight, and it isn't a question of if we will catch the Kong, but when. Rich is constantly rebuilding expensive hand-carved poppers that the giants have made unfishable with one deadly strike.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh! See that, eh? Yeah. Get it in. Look at the size of this one. Get it in. Jeez, oh,
there it is, where's the boat?
look at them. Oh, there's a whole shoal of them.
Stop staring and get it in.
This is a very visually exciting game fish. I think poppers were made just for this fish.
We send it.
Nice job. That fish was pulling you overboard. I saw your
just
feet.
slipping
Don't
a
lie to
little.
me, man. I saw.
I had
saw.
him covered. I had him covered.
Yeah, baby, gotta own that.
Nice, bugger.
The giant trevally are robust and solid in appearance and can be recognized by a steep and blunt head profile. Coloration can range from an almost white silver to jet black.
It's gonna pull you in, yeah?
Okay. Okay, cool. Nice one.
PG.
Okay. Let's go, little guy.
Let's go, big guy.
Let's go, guys. Can I give it a cast? Oh, fish on!
Nice fish,
Fish
Nick.
on!
Put the gears on now.
You just know it's a matter of time, right? Just
No, I was just looking too
it's a
good for
matter
it.
of time. It just felt fishy.
We saw that first shot and they came up. You go back a bit, Nick. No, it's fine.
It's an adrenaline rush for everyone as this fish gets close to the boat. They can really damage gear.
Hiding under the boat. He doesn't want to come.
He's already at the top. Oh, it's a nice fish.
Wow.
Oh, look at that, eh?
We see a lot of bird action in busting fish, so of course we head over to investigate. Fishing with Rich and Nick in Musandam is the best combination of great company, lots of fish, and having the right gear for the conditions. I love chucking these big poppers. I have mixed feelings about what I know is going to happen.
Got it on!
I'm going to catch a Kong.
Rich, I'm going into the rocks, eh?
Yeah, I'm gonna help you now.
Okay.
Okay,
Want
hold
me to
on.
walk it around the front?
Okay, Rich. Okay,
Want me
hold
to
on.
walk it around the front?
Okay, Rich.
Okay, I'm okay.
Okay, you alright?
Yeah.
The Kong of this species is usually a solitary animal that can grow to a whopping 90 kgs or 200 pounds.
Right, we're going to reverse out here. You right, Catherine?
I'm gonna
Yeah.
help her.
Nice! On! Okay, I'm going to try and get away from these rocks. Okay, I'm just going to reverse it right
I'm
out to
just
get
gonna
it all
hold you
away
like
from those
this.
rocks.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just gonna keep one hand on you to make sure that you don't go anywhere.
Did you see that? Like, that crazy thing took 5 feet from the boat.
Yes, that thing was going wild.
She wants to work it. She's strong.
Moving the boat around.
Move the boat for you now.
Okay, we're in 58 meters of water.
Here we got in.
Nice work.
Okay, it's just going, eh, Nick?
Hey?
Fish is just taking line.
It's going. Oh, we can't do much. We're right in the middle of the current here.
After watching the carnage of rods blowing up and the fish trying to pull people off the boat, I know that one of two things is going to happen. One, I'll land the fish, or two, I'll sacrifice my body trying to land it. One thing's for certain, it all adds up to pain.
Okay, we're going slowly getting it out of the current here.
That's it.
I don't know how you guys land more than one of these a day. Because they're a bitch.
Nice, no, you're doing well.
Perfect. That's it.
Just keep 2 arms pumping. Rich,
Pressure.
second off on the drag there. Slightly. try and give us angle by reversing. Which way is he going, Rich?
Going this way. That's good. Now just keep it like that.
Is that all right?
Yeah. Perfect. You gonna grab this fish, no?
Yeah. That's it, just sit on it.
Oh my God. I've caught a lot of stuff. I've never had my butt kicked like this. Seriously, guys, like, can we work this in with the boat? Can we?
It's the current is the issue here.
So, what are we gonna do?
We're going up the back of the current here, so we're pretty much.
Right, let's start working this fish. Come on, Kat, let's work
there
together.
it is!
Let's get her!
Okay, now we're going to get nasty on this thing. Okay, we're going to try and come up to the side because it's got quite a lot of line out.
Okay, so I'm gonna just. Good, Kat.
That's good.
Just carry
That's
on
good.
like that. Come on. You got it.
It's coming up. No, we got its head now coming up towards us.
Okay.
So that's good. Okay, we're just going to go around quick. You right? Everything's good?
I'm gonna barf.
You want me to hold the rod for a while?
No, because if I've gone through all this pain,
You've got to get
I'm
it.
not
You've
giving
got to
you the
get
rod.
it.
But
Don't
you're
give it
doing
up.
well.
Come on, Kat.
Oh.
You can do it.
it's out of the holder.
Up bucket. That's it.
Oh, yeah. Be honest with me, Nick, you can't even see it, can you?
Oh, it's just there. It's there. It's not too far. Kat, you don't have a lot of line out. Come on. Come on, stick in there.
Okay. Can you see it, Nick?
No, not yet. Can't be too far away.
Oh. Can you see it now?
Can't be too far away.
Almost.
Can you see it now?
No.
Almost.
Can you see it now?
No.
There's something on the sounder that looks like a submarine, though.
Is it?
There, I can see it. I can see it. We're almost
Can
there.
see it
Come
now.
on. There you go, Kat. You can see a fish.
You see it? It's about 26 hours into the labor. It's just got the one hook in it.
Got him?
Awesome, Kat.
Oh,
Yes.
geez, you guys.
That's an amazing fish.
I had no idea how hard this was.
Do you want to bring it out in the water? Do you want a quick photo?
I'll photo with him. We'll put pumps.
Wait.
Okay,
Love that
if we
thing.
put pumps on.
Okay, you're going to grab it. One. That's what I'm talking about. What a catch!
What a catch!
Oh my gosh, you guys.
You want to come sit in here?
Here's my camera.
I just want to get my gloves off quickly.
Oh, now really, that's the hardest fighting fish I've ever fought. It kicked my butt. I definitely didn't.
You fought it hell of a well. That was very impressive. It's a big fish, eh?
Just switch that pump on first.
Yeah, let's get it. Okay, let's get a photo there.
I love you, fish.
Do another one of us like
That's
that.
awesome, eh? Okay, so we get him back in.
Let's get it back in the water. But I've landed fish that are several hundred pounds, you know? And they haven't done to me what that fish just did to me.
Just pure mustard. And it's just the sheer power of it. He's short, and when he gets in that current, you see how he sat when he came up? He was sitting in that current like that. You could see his number plate from way down. He just can't pull that thing up. He just uses his whole mass, his whole body.
Oh, insanity. It was this big.
What a catch.
Beautiful.
That is truly what a catch.
Fishing for me has never been about catching the big fish or seeing how many fish you can catch.
Yeah, I was impressed with it.
I've
It
never
was in that
caught
current.
anything like it.
It was in that current, so it just went down and you...
But if you ask me, I would love to show you the picture of the one that didn't get away.
That was the hardest fighting game fish, top of the charts, ever. On any continent, it kicked my butt.
You did well.
No, you
Well
did well.
done. Excellent work.
It's a mean machine, that, sir.
Yep.
Guys like that pit bull, just bang! And he hit like 5 meters from the boat, sir.
Let's do it again. Come on.
You
Come
ready?
on,
We go
again.
up again. Jesus, a Kong! There's a Kong! That's the rod. Our last one.
Go, go, go. Oh! Cast thick, another rod.
Boom chaka-laka-laka, boom chaka-laka-laka.
Insane stuff.
Right, I'll give
Half an hour rest and
sticky
we...
a little trap. If nothing works on the sticky, then I'm going to try my little.
That was awesome stuff, eh?
Unforgettable.
That's great. Well done.
You guys are animals. Animals.
I think you're
part
pretty
of the
much
club.
up there, eh? Dynamite, small packages. That was- bang! And I saw you smack it properly as well. Bang, bang, bang! And then I pushed it off and I was, whoa!
There's 5 feet from the boat, and I'm thinking, I'm in for a whole lot of hurt here.
And you know, the thing is, the leader was a little bit short. It's about 300 pound leader,
Yeah.
so it's got no stretch at all. So it's direct, bang! And you held the ground, skidded a bit.
Somebody's going to get a real hurt.
I was looking behind me. He's holding me by my belt. I hear stuff. I hear buttons popping. Oh, damn.
We had it. Great
There it
stuff.
comes.
Oh, I'll never
Nice.
forget it. You guys are insane.
You like some water?
Water,
I
Coke.
need a scotch.